This question is trickier than it looks. It says, we have a set of numbers. There's 5 numbers, but I don't know one of them, right? We don't know what x is. But I'm given a clue. I'm told that the mean of the set is equal to the median. So what's the value of x? Well, let's talk about mean and median first. Mean, if you remember, simply means the average. So if I want to say what the average of this set is, I'm going to say it like this. It's 16 plus 9 plus 16 plus 18 plus this mysterious x thing divided by the number of numbers. So it's divided by 5. That's the mean. Now the median is more complicated. The median means the middle. Okay, so this is going to be the middle of the set. In other words, if I were to sort this set of numbers, it's whatever number is right in the middle. And there's 5 numbers, so there is just going to be one number in the middle. It's not going to get complicated. But the problem is I don't know exactly how to sort the set. There's 3 options. Here's one. 9. And then it looks like I've got 2 16s. 16, 16, 18. Now where does the x go? Let me change colors here. Put the x somewhere. Here's an option. Maybe the x goes over there. Okay. Let's make another possibility here. 9, 16, 16. And this time we'll put x in between. So maybe x is 17. It might look like that. So I've got x equals 19, x equals 17. In either case, where's the middle? It's 16, right? It didn't matter whether x was 17 or 19. Okay, well, let's consider another possibility. What if x is 16? If x were the number 16, you see the middle doesn't change. It's still 16. We got that 16 right in the middle. But we got another possibility here. What if x is low? I'm going to consider that. Let's say x is something like, I don't know, 13. And it goes in the middle between 9 and 16. So now my set of numbers looks like this, with x over here. In either case, in any of these cases, where's the middle? It is right here. So the median, regardless of where x falls, is going to be 16. Okay, now that's important. We know that the median equals the mean in the set, so here's my equation. 16 plus 9 plus 16 plus 18 plus x equal, all divided by 5 equals 16. Okay, so let's grab this thing. It's time to do some math. And I've got to bring that down here. Can I move this thing down here? Just want to do a little bit of algebra. So let's work this out now. So it will not be too hard. All we have to do is multiply both sides by 5. That's first. Can I get my pen back here? Give me my pen. It's a naughty program. There we go. So now we take 16 plus 9 plus 16 plus 18 plus x equals 5 times 16, right? I carried that denominator over, and that's just 80. So all we have to do is subtract all these things. Well, 16 plus 16 is 32, plus 18 is, I'm thinking this is 59 plus x equals 80. So that means x is simply the leftover part. Looks like x is going to be 21. The algebra, I don't think that is such a big deal. Logically thinking through the different scenarios of where might x be when you don't know what x is, that's the hard part of this one.